Alright guys, I'm back. These cute little shoes right here, they're vintage. I only paid 33 cents. They need a lot of work, a lot of TLC. But don't worry, I'm going to make them look new again and I'm going to enjoy them for years to come. You don't have to throw out your shoes, guys. You can always fix them yourself, or you can take them to the shoemaker and fix them. Try to prevent stuff from going to the landfill. It's like so much stuff that they throw over there, like practically brand new. I see people throw away brand new clothes every day with tags in the garbage. Instead of giving them to someone in need, they rather throw it in the trash. So let's try to prevent that from happening. When you see new stuff, you can always give it as gifts. You know, there's a lot of people struggling out there. You know what I mean? So I hope everyone has a positive day, positive night, and soon to be weekend. Thank you for watching my channel, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Bye everyone.